Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious enfrijoladas. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our beans. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of clean beans. And of course, if you already have beans, just make sure that you have 3 cups of cooked beans. To that we're going to add 1 garlic clove, a small piece of onion, and 6 cups of water. Okay, so we're going to close. Make sure that it's set on sealing. We're going to be using the bean setting and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Okay, so once our beans are done, we're carefully going to release the steam. So while we wait for our beans, we can get our chiles ready. Okay, so we're going to lightly toast 4 guajillo or New Mexico chile pods, along with 2 chile moritas. So these are just dried chipotle peppers. If you can't find them, you can use chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Just lightly toast them. Make sure that you don't burn them. Okay, so once we have our chiles ready, we're going to put them with our beans. Okay, so open it. Throw your chiles in there and allow them to soak for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're carefully going to remove our beans from our pot and transfer it to a blender cup. So just transfer everything. Okay, to a blender, we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and salt. And now we're just going to blend till smooth. Okay, so as we have our bean sauce, now we're going to fry it. So now we're going to grab our frying pan, set it on medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. And we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, and once oil is hot, we're going to add our bean sauce. Okay, now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our sauce is ready. So it should be a little thick. And now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our tortillas. And I'm just going to keep it on low heat, so like that my sauce stays hot. I'm just going to grab my comal, leave it on medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. Okay, so once the oil is hot, we're going to place our tortillas and allow them to blister. And then we're going to flip our tortillas over and give it a couple seconds. And after a couple seconds, we're going to remove our tortillas and repeat the same process to the rest of our tortillas. Okay, once we have all of our tortillas ready, now we are ready to begin making our enfrijoladas. Okay, I'm going to be stuffing my enfrijoladas with queso fresco and onion. So I'm just going to crumble the cheese and mix it with the onion. And I already had onion in my bowl, so let's just mix it together. And for me, the more onion, the better. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our enfrijoladas. So we're going to grab our tortilla, dip it in the sauce, place it on your plate, and then stuff it with your cheese. Roll it, and repeat the process. I'm going to do 4 enchiladas per serving. So once we have our enfrijoladas, we're going to grab a little bit more sauce. Just pour it on top. I'm going to be drizzling it with some crema mexicana, some queso fresco, and pico de gallo. And you can add avocado. Pretend it's there because I don't have any. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious enfrijoladas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super simple yet so delicious. Of course, you know, if you already have beans, then it's even easier. But let me tell you that this is honestly so flavorful, and all you need is tortillas and beans, and of course your preference of cheese. So cheers and enjoy. It's the best. So good. I use New Mexico just because, if you don't know already, I love New Mexico chili pods. It's a little spicy, yet it's very, very leveled. You know, the beans just help it make it very leveled. But of course, you can always add chile de árbol if you want it more spicy. But for me, this is perfect. Everybody enjoys it. It's so good, perfect for those days that you don't feel like cooking, you know, and you just want something fast, but very delicious. You can add an egg on top, and there you go. So good. Onions. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious enfrijoladas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.